Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deszren. Most people call me Des. Feel free to call me whichever. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing my first lock close-up of my starter locks. It's been about a week and a half, pushing 2 weeks, and once I reach that 2-week mark, I am going to be doing my first retwist because I need it and they're not really staying together that well. I did do an early retwist with, I'm pretty sure, my last 2 sets that I had, so I'm just gonna keep doing that because it needs it, you know, like it just needs it. But once I do this first retwist, I will be waiting a month in between retwists, so don't worry, I'm not gonna be retwisting my hair all the time every 2 weeks. That's definitely not gonna be a thing, but I do want them to actually stay in formation. So yeah, 2 weeks, y'all gonna see it, my very first retwist. I can't wait. And that is my new kitten making noises, little Leroy. I'm gonna be vlogging and really introduce y'all. If you hear background noises and all that kind of stuff, it's just him. A lot of people always ask me when they're in their starter lock phase, you know, my hair, it just looks like it's not doing anything, like it's not staying in formation, like it's unraveled. And I just want people to see that that is so normal. That's just what happens. Like, I don't know what to tell you. Like, this is, you know, it's real life. And it's only been a week and a half and my hair is looking like, it's only been a week and a half and my hair is looking like, what the? So I'm not gonna talk a whole lot through this video, but I just wanted to point out some things that I've been noticing within this first week and a half, pushing 2 weeks. So as you can see, the roots for some of them really did not stay together that well, but then some of them stayed together beautifully. So like this one, amazing. But you know, the first one that you saw, like the one that's right there too on the right side, is just like completely unraveled at the roots. So that is completely normal. I don't want you guys that are in your starter lock phase, you're in the first few weeks, maybe in the first few months, and your hair is unraveling. I don't want you guys to think that that's not normal. That is completely normal and it's expected. So don't think that your hair is never gonna lock or it's not doing it the right way. It is completely normal. And I have also a tight curl texture, you know, or a tight curl pattern. I have what you would consider about 4A, 4B curl type. So even kinkier textures will still unravel and not stay together or just do weird stuff. So don't worry, your hair will still lock up. You really just have to be patient and give it time. Another thing that I noticed is that the ones in the front didn't really stay coiled that well. They look more just like curls rather than actual coils. And the ones in the back you can see are really in formation. So I thought that was pretty interesting. It makes sense because when you're going towards the front of my hair, it's a much softer and looser texture. So makes sense, but just something that I wanted to point out to you guys. Like, look at that one. Like, that one's like only coiled in the middle. So I really have to be careful when I wash my hair to make sure that, you know, I'm keeping my parting and everything and it's not starting to marry together, because honestly, even though it's only been not even 2 weeks, some of them are already starting to intertwine together and get stuck together. Now that I have this set where there's many more locks, I really have to pay attention to that and make sure they're not doing that, because for me, it becomes painful because I am tender-headed. And that wraps it up for this first lock close-up video of my 4th set. I'm so excited to see how this set matures, y'all. Like, you guys really have no idea. I'm so in love with how my starter locks look, even though it's like stretched out and frizzy. I'm just here for the fullness. If this one don't stay down, I'm just here for the fullness, the volume. Like, I'm just so happy with it, y'all. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Also, I want to know what your starter locks looked like, if they look similar to mine, how you started, what you didn't like about it, what you did like about it. I just want to hear everything. You guys already comment, you know, your thoughts, your opinions, your own journeys, and I love that, and other people love it too, because a lot of y'all be liking each other's comments, and I just love seeing that shit. I really do. So definitely drop down any experiences that you have, any questions, comments, concerns, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.